you guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get salon looking curls using a straightener. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. This is what my natural hair looks like. I don't really like the texture. I think that it looks really messy. So before I curl my hair, I like to prepare it by putting in leave-in conditioner. The one that I use is by the brand Unite. I use Moroccan oil from Sephora and I put that on about the mid-length of my hair to the tips, and I spray the Redken heat protectant just to make sure that we're not getting extra split ends that we don't want. Now what I usually do is I separate my hair into sections and I straighten it from root to about mid-length. This creates a really clean base for styling. It smooths the baby hair and flyaways down. You can skip this step if you want, but in my opinion it makes the hair easier to work with and just have an overall better appearance. Then I section out my hair again and split it about halfway through, and this is when we go in with the straightener to do the curls. Usually I start about 2 to 3 inches away from the root, and I glide the straightener down and start twisting it. Just before I reach the ends of my hair, I let go because I don't want to curl the very tips. I actually like to have that straight end look. And that's all there really is to this process. I just repeat it. So I straighten, and then I start twisting about halfway through, and then I let go right before I reach the ends, and you get these beautiful curls. When you're working with a straightener, it's really important to make sure that your motion is very even through the entire process, because if you don't, you're going to get those really ugly, unwanted creases in your hair, and then you're going to have to try to straighten it out. It's always a good idea to use a second mirror so that you can see the back of your head as you get closer to working on the back. Personally, I don't like my curls to be very tight, so using a straightener instead of a curler is a really great alternative to get that result. I really recommend you guys try it out at least once. I apologize about my really intense facial expressions. As you can see, curling my hair requires a lot of my attention. Ideally, you don't want to use a straightener that's thicker than about 2.5 inches. It's not going to look good. I think the one that I'm using is about 2 inches. Okay, you guys, we made it to the very end of the tutorial. The last step that I have for you is to lightly mist some hairspray to keep the curls the way they are. Usually mine lasts me about 2 to 3 days, but it has like an effortless put together look to it that I love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.